What if waiting for someone changed your entire life? Stay until the end to discover the touching truth. Ben was a quiet 12-year-old boy. He lived in a small village with his grandmother. His parents had gone to work in another country. Before leaving, his father hugged him tightly. "I will come back soon," he promised. Ben believed those words. Every evening, Ben walked to the old bus stop. He sat on the wooden bench. He watched every bus that arrived. Each time the door opened, his eyes filled with hope. But his father never stepped out. The villagers felt sorry for him. Some people told him to stop waiting. Others said his father would never return. Ben smiled politely. "I promise to wait," he always replied. Days became weeks. Weeks became months. Still, Ben waited. He never missed a single evening. His grandmother watched him from the window. She worried about his broken heart. One rainy evening, Ben was sitting at the bus stop again. The rain became heavier. An old man arrived with a small suitcase. He looked tired and weak. Ben quickly gave him his umbrella. "Please take it," Ben said kindly. The old man smiled. "You have a good heart," he whispered. He had nowhere to stay. Ben invited him home. His grandmother welcomed the stranger with warm food. The old man stayed with them for a few days. Before leaving, he thanked Ben. "You reminded me that kindness still exists," he said. A few weeks later, a letter arrived. It was from the old man. He was the owner of a large bookstore in the city. He had no children. He wanted Ben to study there. He offered to pay for Ben's education. Ben could hardly believe it. His grandmother cried with joy. Years passed. Ben became a successful writer. His books inspired thousands of children. One day, after a book event, an elderly man slowly walked toward him. It was his father. His hair was gray. His eyes were full of regret. He had been trapped in difficult situations for many years. Finding his family had taken a long time. "I am sorry," his father whispered. Ben looked at him quietly. Then he smiled. "I never stopped waiting," he said. Father and son hugged each other with tears in their eyes. That day, Ben realized something important. Waiting had not made him weak. It had made him patient. Kindness had opened new doors. Hope had kept his heart alive. And sometimes, the greatest rewards come to those who never lose faith. Moral: patience, kindness, and hope can change your life in ways you never expect.